to Baby Wizard. Today we're going to be learning shapes by using Play-Doh. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with circle. Circle. So what can you do with a circle? You can make a happy face, but the real question is, how do you draw a circle? So I'll teach you. You start from the top, you go all around, and you reach the top again. Let's try it one more time. You reach the top, you go all around until you reach the top again. How about one more time? Let's make a smaller one. The top, all around until you meet again. Now we're gonna do a square. Square. What can we do with a square? Well, we can make a window. But the problem is, how do you draw a square? Well, I'll teach you. A square has 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you draw a square. Let's make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about one more? 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's how you draw a square. Now we have the last one, triangle. What can we do with a triangle? Well, I'll tell you. We can do a yummy slice of pepperoni pizza. But how do you draw a triangle? I'll show you. It has 3 sides. So let's start. You start up, down, side, up. You can also draw it down, side, up. Or down, down, side. So we have sadly reached the end of this video, but that's okay because we will be posting more videos further along into our channel every week. And also you will be learning more shapes and more things that will be very fun. But today we learned how to make a circle and that we can make a happy face. We also learned how to make a square, that it has 4 sides, and that we can make a window with it. And lastly, a triangle. We made a yummy, steamy pepperoni pizza, and we learned how to draw it. And it has 1, 2, 3 sides. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope to continue seeing you. Have a great day! Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the notification bell to get notified every time we post a video. Thank you so much for watching Baby Wizard.